Good morning, students. So let us move to the model number three, optimal system operation. That is economical load dispatch. But in this chapter, introduction, optimal operation of generator on bus bar, optimum unit commitment, the reliability consideration, optimum generation scheduling. Compared to the first and second model, model number three is very easy. Model number three and four is same. Continue with the model number 4. In 3, continue with the 4. Okay. The first topic, draw the explain the following curve. Or what is economical load scheduling? Economical load scheduling, explain the hydro and thermal units of performance curve. Okay, first one, input output curve, heat rate curve, incremental cost curve, incremental fuel cost curve. Okay, performance curves can be classified into 4 categories. Just now explained what are the input output curve, heat rate curve, incremental fuel rate curve, incremental cost curve. Sometime ask in the examination, what is a economical load schedule? Explain the hydrothermal units of performance curve. These are the 4 categories: input output curve, heat rate curve, incremental fuel cost curve, incremental cost curve. The first one, in input output curve. The economical load dispatch is necessary to know the input output curves of all the units to be committed. This curve gives the input in kilowatt hour per hour for the generating certain output in megawatt. Figure shows input in kilocalories. Kilocalories in per hour, output in megawatt. That is the PZ minimum, PZ maximum. The generation is minimum, generation is maximum. Input output curve means input is kilocalories in thermal unit, output is megawatt. The input output curve is a non-linear. The Pmax, the maximum limit of the power generated from the generator. PZ minimum, the minimum generation, maximum generation. Okay, next PZ minimum, the minimum limit of power generated from the generator. If the limits of generation is less than the desired limits, it is not feasible to operate all the generating cost fuel, kilocalorie per hour, which can be converted into rupees per hour, which is shown in the figure. Previous kilocalorie per hour, now rupees per hour you converted because of you calculate economical dispatch and generating minimum and maximum generator, the output in megawatt. The second one, heat rate curve. It is defined as a ratio of fuel input in BTU per hour to energy output in megawatt. It is thermal unit per hour to energy output in megawatt. That is y-axis the output in megawatt, x-axis, y-axis in BTU per hour. This is a PZ minimum, PZ maximum, same thing. Previous incremental fuel rate, but in heat rate curve. British thermal unit per hour, output in megawatt, PZ minimum, PZ maximum. Next, incremental cost curve. The incremental cost curve is the from which is shown in the figure. The unit of incremental cost rupees per megawatt hour versus to power output in megawatt. Rupees per megawatt hour versus to power output in megawatt. Rupees per megawatt hour output, the actual cost, the approximate linear cost. These two curves, just see these two curves, the approximate linear cost. This curve is touch the actual cost and approximate linear cost. But here, in general, the fuel cost of the plant is ith, which is approximately as quadratic equations. AI, B PGI, CI PGI square rupees per hour. The incremental cost with respect to the DFI, fuel cost, DFI by DPGI. BI, PGI is 1, 2 CI, PGI rupees per megawatt hour. The incremental cost or incremental cost BI, 2 CE, 2 PGI. The incremental cost, which is made up of incremental fuel cost plus incremental cost of the labors, water and maintenance cost. This means incremental cost means incremental fuel cost plus labor and water and maintenance cost, including this. This cost can be taken into some percentage of the incremental fuel cost. Okay, the next last one, incremental fuel cost curve. It is defined as ratio of small change in input divided by corresponding change in the output. Small change in the input by small change in the output. That is incremental fuel cost curve. This curve is incremental fuel rupees per megawatt hour, output in megawatt, PZ minimum, PZ maximum. It is PZ minimum, PZ maximum, generation minimum, generation maximum. Stop the video lecture, remaining next video lecture. Thank you.